Hello friends, Chris here with ISK Recording. I am very excited to share with you that we are in a whole new era for home recordings. It is now possible to get really good, professional quality recordings at home with very inexpensive equipment. And in this video, I'm gonna prove it. I did this recording of a full rock band.
I've been waiting for so long for someone to come along. I never knew it would be you. Together we can see it through.
And all I used is an old 2012 MacBook Pro, the free recording software that all Mac computers come with. It's called GarageBand. I used a Behringer recording interface that costs less than $200, and the entire microphone budget was $219. If you add up everything in this entire portable studio, the computer, microphones, interface, cables, stands, everything all together came to $882 total. I also did this recording right here in this living room. No studio, no room treatment, I didn't bring in any sound panels, just an average living room. This is easily attainable for anybody. Now for microphones, you might find it hard to believe that these really inexpensive microphones can have really good sound quality, but they do. Here's why. You see, microphone technology hasn't really changed since the 1960s, but what has changed is manufacturing technology. We have factories mass producing things like microprocessors that have parts that are measured in nanometers. That's how precise our manufacturing is now. In the 1960s, that was impossible. Now imagine if they were building a plasma TV in the 1960s. Each individual pixel would have had to have been hand-built. They would have to sell that TV for an astronomical price to get their money back. And that, my friends, is how all of the classic microphones are priced. They were all hand-built back then, and they're priced so that they could be profitable. But nowadays, a machine can manufacture those intricate components with just as much precision or more, and because they're being mass-produced at such large volume, the cost of each individual component is next to nothing. So that's why ISK microphones can have such a low price, yet still have extremely good sound quality. Now the audio interface I used for this recording was a Behringer UMC404HD. This has the Midas design preamps, which are definitely a step up from the Behringer Xenix line of preamps. And these interfaces are really good value for the money. The other interfaces I recommend would be Focusrite 2nd and 3rd generation. They're extremely good quality and very reasonably priced. So if you're doing home recordings and you use any of those two interfaces, the Behringer with Midas preamps or Focusrite 2nd or 3rd generation, and you use ISK microphones, if your sound quality still isn't top notch, it can be narrowed down to two things. It could be poor room acoustics or poor mixing and mastering. And if you're not too sure which one of those two things it is, you can narrow it down even farther by sending your song off to ISK Pro Audio for mixing and mastering. Just as a reference, this song would have cost less than $100 for them to mix and master. And then if your home recordings still aren't sounding top notch, the only thing left is room acoustics. If you want to see how I recorded this song, I've got a full tutorial video. The link is in the description. And if you want to download these two mixes I did so that you can analyze them and hear how they sound, and you can also download the entire GarageBand session so that you can play with the mix, see how I mixed it, see how you can mix it. Everything is available for free at iskrecording.com. Link is also in the description. My goal is to help you get great sounding home recordings without breaking the bank. So if you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button down there. Boom, thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I've got tons more videos coming. I've got the full audio engineering course as well as videos on tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your home recordings. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.